For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to create a computerized resource, the biggest digital money. That would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and influence. Every one of the obstacles and innovative erraticisms encompassing cryptographic forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano, the new redesigns. There were a ton of moves up to Cardano's shrewd agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective redesign. The Alonzo Purple redesign got a huge change, brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and reformed the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its adaptability to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs equipped for taking care of 1,000 exchanges each second. On the off chance that it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano value history and specialized investigation. Cardano is the 9th biggest cryptographic money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has an enormous market cap of $8,672,316,422. The development is principally because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Nonetheless, 2022 has not been completely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto ruler. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 24 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it persistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy notwithstanding the unfriendly market patterns from mid-walk. In the wake of coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a critical remedy and fell beneath $1. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from now on. As of now, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative force. A USD could keep on confronting brief amendment up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano forecasts, the cash will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and for the excess days of the year, our Cardano cost expectation 2022 demonstrates a persistent combination in the cost, and the ADA cost will be unable to cross the 35 cents mark. Nonetheless, the cost could begin serious areas of strength for a following a couple of months in 2023. Cardano value forecast 2023. As per our ADA estimates, the coin might exchange a scope of 20 cents to $1.97 for the year 2023, where the base cost is 20 cents and the greatest cost is $1.97. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.09. Cardano value forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.73 and $3.50. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost figure, is supposed to be around $2.62. It is normal that ADA might make another ATH this year. Cardano value forecast 2025. 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $5 mark with a greatest exchanging worth of $5.03. While the base future cost is supposed to be $3.26. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $4.15. Cardano value forecast 2026. The ADA cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $4.79 and $6.56 in 2026, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the greatest cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $5.68. Cardano value expectation 2027. As per our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $6.32, $7.21, and $8.09, separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and in the event that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, merchants can procure extraordinary benefits. Cardano value forecast 2028. In view of past execution, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $7.85 and $9.62, while the typical cost might be $8.74 for the year 2028. Cardano value forecast 2029. subsequent to raising a ruckus around town. The ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. According to our ADA cost forecast, the base and most extreme costs might be around $9.38 and $11.15 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is estimated to be $10.27. Cardano value forecast 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $10.91 and $12.68. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 recommends that the typical worth might be $11.80 all year long. The Cardano conjecture proposes that the ADA cost could cross the greatest cost of $2 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around 97 cents according to their ADA cost expectation 2025. ADA expectation: the base worth of Cardano will be around 44 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost may be around 54 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 46 cents in 2023. ADA cost gauge is that the cost will reach 36 cents by January 2023. The normal greatest worth is 45 cents. The base worth is 30 cents for January 2023, according to our Cardano cost gauge. Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other cryptographic money, can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is for the most part impacted by the merchant's feelings and whales temporarily. Assuming that purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be enormously impacted emphatically. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. On the off chance that a huge amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will build because of the discounted supply, subsequently expanding the cost of the token as well as the other way around. While in the long haul, the cost for the most part influences mechanical progressions and key examination. The more the organization progresses, the more it will catch financial backers' eye. As of now, the Vassal hard fork is extremely near its send-off, and this redesign will make a ton of changes as far as versatility, exchange charges, exchange speed, and the cost of the ADA token. To know the genuine development of any altcoin, it becomes essential to differentiate crypto expectations for the exhibition and central investigation of digital currencies to that of an altcoin. Cardano is in the 9th position, with a market capitalization of $8,701,323,180 and a brilliant future to climb in the position. The ongoing cost of Ethereum is around $1,212.50, while the ongoing worth of Cardano is around 25 cents. Cardano has a double-layer plan, while Ethereum utilizes a solitary layer plan. The settlements and calculations are freely completed in Cardano, while in Ethereum, every single symbolic exchange, estimations, and settlements are done at the same time. The Ethereum consolidation redesign is as of now sent off, and the Vassal overhaul of ADA is additionally set to send off on September 22nd. The two organizations are contending emphatically and have a wide fan base. The cost of Cardano will clearly rise in light of the fact that its blockchain can offer various applications, because of which the interest will just expansion before long. Might Cardano at any point hit $10? Indeed, according to Cardano conjecture,